I train my children growing up with our culture. In terms of the food they eat, they had to eat our fufu and bitter leaf.
Please, what is your name, ma'am?
My name is Mrs. Ifeyunwa Mojo Ice.
Ice! 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 Oi! Welcome, mom. That name is amazing.
Thank you.
So, she said her name is Ifeyunwa, meaning she's Igbo. Please, where in Igbo are you from?
Okay, let me start saying that I'm married to Benin first before.
Whoa!
Then I'm from Anambra State.
Oh, where in Anambra precisely?
Orifite.
Ndị eje jemba. Odogu nwanyi, ine nwanyi, funa nwanyi zi ihe ji nwanyi eme. Mommy, welcome.
Thank you.
So, the topic for this edition of the New Yam Festival is the role of women in preserving the African culture. So, what are you doing, Mommy, you in particular, what are you doing to preserve our culture?
I'm an artist. Let me start from there. I went to school for 4 years in Uniben as an artist.
Wow.
So basically, art and nature, when you talk of Nigerian culture, you're talking of our origin, is our heritage.
Yes.
You understand? You cannot identify anyone without his culture.
Yes.
For me as a mother and a woman, I train my children growing up with our culture. In terms of the food they eat, they had to eat our fufu and bitter leaf and all our delicacies. Then the clothes they wear. Amazingly, because we promote culture, they wear our African clothes. Then the language, but it's interesting that they mix it up anyway. So, but then they still speak a bit of the Igbo,
which is
like
fine.
You know, when you look at the title and talk of a woman, in every home is the woman's language that comes forth, because it's the woman that preserves the culture, brings the child up to the level of the growth. Whatever you bring the child up with is what he grows with, and that's what he's identified with. So I talk about African culture, I talk about African heritage, is our heritage, is our origin, is our lifestyle. So basically that is the role of a woman.
Wow. Thank you very much,
You're
Mommy.
welcome.
You have given us a deep insight to what you're doing to preserve our culture. Babies at home, you better start speaking the language your mother is teaching you. Make us proud. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Please tell us your name, ma'am.
My name is Ngozi Amura.
Oh, wow. Welcome, ma'am.
My name is Sylvia Onibo.
Welcome. Thank you very much for showing up for our 12th edition of the New Yam Festival live in Abuja.
Thank you.
You're welcome.